Hey, it's Dan Nickerson, and I wanted to make a video for my customers and others to show them the difference between SiteGround's new website manager tool and the old cPanel tool. So most of us are familiar with cPanel, a very easy way to manage websites, but SiteGround recently created their own system. So if you do a lot of add-on domains, like multiple add-on domains, it's not as convenient. If you only have a few add-on domains, it's probably better. But I just want to show you the difference, and it'll help you in setting up add-on domains. So just to show from an old standpoint, this is cPanel. This is what the old version of cPanel looks like. If you had an add-on domain, you could simply go down to add-on domains and you click it, and it will show you all the add-on domains. You just add a new domain name. It'll automatically fill in this. You fill in a password, you click add domain, you're done. Made it very easy to do add-on domains. Their new system is they try to create all add-on domains as an individual website. So think of SiteGround as a website management tool, and your primary domain name is no longer the primary domain name. It's just another website in your website manager tool. So on this account, if I click on websites, it's going to show all the websites that are in my account. So these are domains or add-on domains or whatever you want to think of them as. They are basically additional website. So where this is an add-on domain, essentially this is just an add-on website. So if you want to add an add-on domain to your current SiteGround account, you simply click add new site. Does that make sense? So, or you click add new website here. So forget the term add-on domain. Just think of it as I need to add a new website to my SiteGround account. Does that make sense? So I'm just going to click on new website. And I recently registered a domain name, and because I already registered, I don't need a new domain. Okay, so the domain exists already. I registered it. So if you register a domain at GoDaddy or Namecheap or whatever, and you already have the domain, you'd click on existing domain. If you want to register a domain, you click on new domain. Okay, temporary domain, I'm actually not even sure what that does yet. I'm not, for the sake of this video, I'm going to ignore it. But I already own a domain name, so I click on existing domain. Now I just registered a domain recently, and it was homecomingweekend.com. And so I'm going to click on continue, right? And it's going to say the domain you wish to use is not registered in your SiteGround account. Correct, it's not registered there. I'm going to click on continue. And then it asks me if I want to start a new website, migrate website, or skip and create an empty site. Now, if you wanted to start a new website with WordPress and all kinds of stuff, you could do that. If you want to use their site builder tool, you could do that. If you already have another project, another domain, you could migrate it. I just want to skip and create an empty website. I don't need the site scanner, so I'm going to skip that and click on finish. And now that I've done that, it's actually creating a whole new website account for me. So just like an add-on domain, this is basically where we're at before. So where you could create an add-on domain in 10 seconds with cPanel, it takes a little bit longer here. So these are your name servers, and if you have a SiteGround account, these would be your standard name servers. You would just use those. Using MetaDomainer plugin, and you want to manage the website, you click on Manage Website, and then it loads back up. And when you do that, it's going to give you a full dashboard of all the things on your website. It's got stats, it's got everything. So this is essentially the cPanel dashboard, but it's their new version. Now with a site, if I wanted to upload an index file, I would just upload it to the public HTML folder of the file manager. And so that's it. So if you're using MetaDomainer, you would just go to File Manager, you're gonna go here to this, and you're gonna this is the default file, so you just upload your index. So you click File Upload and upload. I actually don't have one ready to go, but File Upload and upload the file, and then you're done. So once you do that, you have all these other features in here that if you want to set up, you can. If you want to add in SSL and all those things, you can. So the SiteGround basically just converted to their own dashboard. Once you get the hang of it, there's a lot of stuff you can do with it. But if you've grown up with cPanel and love cPanel, it is an adjustment. But I just want to make this video to show the differences. So essentially, going back to the main dashboard, whenever you have a new domain that you buy, forget the term add-on domain, you want to create a new website. You click on websites, you click on new website. Now the other thing that's great about this, if you're renting domains and so forth, if you want to rent domains out, you can do collaborations with people. So you can create a collaborator and give them access to one of the sites that you just bought. So you can go in here and actually collaborate with other users. Give them collaborator, select the website, add their name and email, and they get access to that website. So it's a great way that if you have a freelancer or outsourcer, or if you're actually renting or selling the domain or whatever, you can give someone access to the website to look around. So that's the key difference between cPanel add-on domains and SiteGround's new webmaster tool. Just forget the term add-on domains. Think of it as a new website. SiteGround is a website manager. It's not just a single domain with add-on domains. It's an account that lets you set up unlimited websites using their website tool. It's not as convenient, but it's probably more flexible in the long run. So I hope this video was helpful.